Embrace the if, mastering first conditional with imperatives. Hello language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our series on English grammar fundamentals. Today, we're diving into a very interesting topic, first conditional sentences. More specifically, we'll explore using imperatives in the main clause. This exciting part of the English language allows you to discuss possibilities and their consequences, making your conversations more dynamic and rich. Let's get started. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's refresh our memories about first conditional sentences. First conditional sentences express a situation that's likely or possible in the future. They consist of two clauses, an if clause, condition, in the present simple tense, and a main clause, result, in the future simple tense. For example, if it rains, I will take my umbrella. Now, the real fun begins. Did you know you can also use imperatives in the main clause of a first conditional sentence? This means you can give commands, advice, or warnings based on the condition in the if clause. Let's take an example. If it's hot outside, wear sunscreen. Here, wear sunscreen is an imperative, a command given, assuming the condition, if it's hot outside, is met. To form a first conditional sentence with an imperative in the main clause, you start with your if clause as usual. The if clause is in present simple tense. After the comma, you place your imperative. Remember, an imperative doesn't need a subject. It's directly addressing someone, giving a command, a suggestion, or advice. Here's a template. If plus present simple plus imperative. For example, if you finish your homework, take a break. It's always a great idea to practice to really cement this concept in your mind. Try forming sentences using this structure. Start with an if clause expressing a possible condition, and then give a command or advice in the main clause. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural it will feel. And there you have it. You've now mastered the use of imperatives in the main clause of a first conditional sentence. Remember, language is all about expressing ideas, and understanding these structures opens up new and exciting ways to communicate. Practice using imperatives in your first conditional sentences, and you'll soon be surprising yourself with how natural it feels. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the fascinating world of English grammar.